Here is how to delete blank rows in Excel. As you can see, we have a number of rows with a lot of data as we scroll down, and there are blank rows in between. Now, one way to remove a blank row would be simply to select all the cells that we want below it. Control X, or that is the cut function, and then we paste it above using the Control V function. But this will be very cumbersome, especially when you have hundreds of rows of data and many blank rows in between. So what we do, we go to the Home tab, select all the columns and all the data that we want to sort through. Click on Find and Select, which is available, and go to Special. Here we will select the blanks option that is there and click on OK. Now you will observe that all the blank rows which I had in my Excel have been highlighted. Once this is done, simply go to Delete under Cells, click on the arrow below it and click on Delete Cells. Now, since we don't want any blank rows, we will select the Shift Cells Up option and click on OK. And there you have it. All our blank rows have been removed and now they are covered with data.